What's cooking, foodies? Today we are making my Aunt Elaine's delicious lasagna with her homemade pasta sauce. Check out her pasta sauce recipe link in the description box below. This recipe will come together quick as we meal prepped the sauce earlier in the week and only need to defrost it and heat it back up. To a bowl, add your shredded mozzarella, ricotta, and 1 egg. Mix well. And then I love these oven-ready lasagna noodles, as you don't have to pre-boil your noodles and it's one less pot to clean. I spray the bottom of my 13 by 9 pan with canola oil to make sure nothing sticks. Then add 1 cup of sauce to the bottom of the dish and spread it evenly. Set 3 sheets of the lasagna noodles side by side. The noodles will expand while baking to the ends of the dish. Add another 1 cup sauce. Sprinkle with mozzarella and sharp cheddar cheese, then add your ricotta mixture. You'll repeat this 4 more times so you will have 5 layers in total. Add the rest of your mozzarella and cheddar cheese to the top. And then I spray cooking oil spray to the top of my foil so the cheese will not stick. Cover and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. Remove foil and bake for another 5 minutes. Then remove from oven and let rest 15 minutes before slicing. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tasty recipes.